Hey y'all, it's Miss Hinsdale, and so I was going to review with you guys what your assignment was for this week on your solo. And so I know we learned this on our Zoom, but if you weren't part of the Zoom call on Monday, I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a recording for you. Now I am using the flute music right now. So what I suggest is you pull up either your clarinet or your saxophone music or bass clarinet music, tenor sax, whatever it is, and follow along because I'm not going to be doing note names. Y'all are beyond note names. I'm just going to be doing like counting, and then I'll play two measures, and then you guys play two measures, and then I'll count it, and then I'll play two measures, and then you guys will play two measures, and we're going to kind of go that way. So what we're going to do is the first note here starts on an and, okay? So right now I'm going 90. So you're going to go and 1, 2, 3, and 1. So that's how you're going to count it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. And you're going to breathe on that eighth rest, okay? Probably want to breathe before the eighth rest, but here we go. And 1, 2, and counting 5 and 6, and 1 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Woo, my voice. All right, so make sure that you are keeping those notes staccato at the end. Okay, now I'm going to play it. You guys finger along on your instruments, or finger whichever way your instrument faces. And 1. Oh, also, sorry, one last thing. We are in the key of A flat, so this note right here is A flat, okay? Now I can't highlight it because I'm just in smart music right now, but that is our A flat, okay? So here we go. Now I will play the first two measures. And 1, 2, 3. Sorry, reading flute music. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Again. And you guys finger. 1, 2, 3. All right, you join me. 1, 2, ready. Again. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. All right. So now we're going to do measure 7 and 8. Okay, so let's count those. Watch your slurs. Make sure you're doing the slurs right. Count, measure 7 and 8. Go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. And that 4 is short there. Again, count it. 2, ready. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now press it slowly. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time, make sure you're pressing it. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to play it in tempo. And 1, 2, 7, and 8. Also, make sure you're playing that crescendo at the end. 1, 2, 7, and 8. Okay, now join me. 1, 2, 7, and 8. Again. 1, 2, ready. One more time. 1, 2, ready. next two measures are really easy. It's just F, B flat, F, B flat, and then we change tempos. Make sure the rest is 2 toe taps, not just 1. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready? We're just going to play it. 1, 2, 9, and 10. Again, 1, 2, 9, and 10. Okay, now we will be taking 11 slowly. Okay, so it goes obviously 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and rhythm's not an issue here. It's going to be making sure you're getting everything, like your buttons, in tempo. Okay, so let's press it. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again, and ready, press. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again, and ready, press. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay, now let's press it in tempo while I play it. And if you need to like stop that and go really slow, just pause the video, take it slow, and then jump from there. Here we go. And 1, 2, ready. Again. 1, 2, press. Last time pressing. Join me this time too. Ready. Again. Ready. Shouldn't be that hard. Last time too. Ready. Now the next two measures, you've got your dotted quarter note again. So this is 12 and 13. So you've got 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So the 8th note after a dotted quarter note is always on the up tap. So you've got 1 and, or 1 and 2 and is what you should be feeling. So let's count measures 12 and 13. 1, 2, count it, go. 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again, 2, ready. 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now notice they put a legato marking on that B flat. They want you to hold that all the way to the end here. Okay? All right. Now press your buttons. I'll play it, and you guys press. 1, 2, ready. You guys press it one more time. Join me, and 1, 2, play it, ready. Again, ready. Last time, ready. All right. So now we're going to be looking at measures 18 through 27, which is the exact same thing. Okay, so really all I'm going to do is I'm going to play it through 2 times with you guys just pressing and fingering along, and then I'll have you guys play it with me twice, okay? And actually, let me see if I can get the accompaniment so you guys can hear that. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's all you have for your test. Okay, so now I'm going to play it one more time. Let me see if I can turn this up. I don't know if that's really going to make much of a difference as far as you guys being able to hear it. 2, 3. I got thrown off by the clef again. Okay, so here we go. Even Miss Insel makes mistakes sometime. All right, let's try that again. Fingering along. And 1, 2, 3. All right, so now you guys are going to play it with me, if you weren't already. 1, 2, ready? 1, 2. All right, and so that's it for the first half of your solo.